Classic tuna casserole. Easy and cheap. You can have it ready in less than 30 minutes. Now I've started with, I boiled my egg noodles about 5 minutes. I didn't want to boil them the whole way because you're going to bake them. And I put a little salt and oil in the water, and they're over here draining. So that's already done. And I think it was a 16-ounce wide noodles. I've cut up an onion, small onion. We're going to saute it in 2 or 3 tablespoons of butter. Going to put a little salt in here. Pepper, 5 teaspoons. We're going to saute these until they get tender. I've got some chopped up garlic. Put in 2 teaspoons. Tuna is a good protein to eat. It's pretty reasonable. You can make so many things with it. You can make a casserole. You can make tuna sandwiches out of it. Tuna, people just eat it on a bed of lettuce, the crackers, or whatever. You can do a lot with it. I got my onions done and my garlic. They're sauteed. And now we're going to put the casserole together. I've got a 9x13 pan. I've sprayed it with some cooking spray. I've got my oven on 400. Got a can of mushroom soup. There. So I'm going to put in here. Got a cup of milk. I got 2 cans of tuna that I've opened and I've drained. It's in little bits. I've got 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese and 1 cup of cheddar cheese. I'm going to mix that all together. I'm going to put our onion and garlic. It smells so good. Mix that together. Then we're going to add our noodles that we've pre-cooked and drained. Get that all mixed together. I'm going to add a little bit of pepper, probably a nice teaspoon. This is a casserole that's been popular, seems like forever. My mother-in-law, She used to cook it way back when. We didn't have it at my house because my father was a meat and potatoes man. He wasn't too keen on casseroles. Okay, we're going to take the casserole dish, we'll pour it in there. Then we're going to put 1.5 cups of Ritz crackers, crumbled up, and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. We'll mix that up. I love Ritz crackers. They're going to be good on top of this tuna casserole. We're just going to spread it all over. Let every little bit get some. I'm going to cook it 400 degrees for 20 minutes or until it's hot and bubbly and it's a little brown on top. So let's get it in the oven. Well, I took it out of the oven. It stayed in there about 20 minutes and it's nicely golden brown. Isn't that pretty? Oh, it smells wonderful. So we're going to scoop it up a little bit. Doesn't that look delicious? I see it's kind of hot. This was my mother-in-law's recipe, but we kind of tweaked it a little bit. We put Monterey Jack cheese in it, and we put a different topping on top of it. She put breadcrumbs, but we put Ritz crackers. So I hope you like this and try it. It's a cheap meal to feed it'll feed a lot of people. Check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Don't that look good? Classic tuna casserole is delish. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.